Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, ensure the CarPlay is enabled on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on CarPlay and simply turn on by USB and turn on by Bluetooth. So simply turn on by Bluetooth, and then after this the next solution is the next solution is check for any CarPlay restrictions. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions. So tap on allowed apps. So here is the CarPlay option. In short, it's enabled. So guys, after this the next solution is reconnect your CarPlay again, and after this the next solution is reboot your iPhone and reboot also your car. So guys, after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So simply go to the settings, tap on general, tap on software update and wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So go back, and then after this the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, for this, go to settings, simply scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings, no data media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Thank you.